Hello everyone, this is John from Bladder Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 15th of July, closing the week video. On this video, we will just cover some news first, then we will just go ahead our chart. Alright, just 1 hour ago, we have received retail sales numbers in China, in the US, and then it was just like a higher than expected 1% rise in retail sales. So everything is ready for Fed to just make like another 75% or even 1%, 0.75% or 1% rise in interest rates. So why? Because like they just say like people are just still buying, people are just like have job, and also like inflation high, so we have to curb that one. So that's perfect environment for Fed officials. All right, that was the news. And also like today we have received GDP numbers for China, and for second quarter it was only 0.2% rise compared to first quarter. So when we just think about it, it's kind of no growth in the second quarter because of these lockdowns in Shanghai. The new variants of COVID can just affect the third quarter. If we just see the same lockdowns in China, then we can just discuss like another these kind of data at the end of this third quarter. But it's early to say that yet. But things can change so fast in global, because it's not only in China, a lot of countries are having a lot of pressure from these new variants. We will just talk about these things more and more each day. All right, let's start with our first chart. First chart is dollar index. As you can see here, dollar index is just making a lot of like a big rally, and then getting a lot of attraction from all the investors around the world. Why it's happening? Because it's happening the only right now China is like a trouble with these real estate crisis, European war, Japan is having population crisis, blah blah. So the only option is US dollar. People are just rushing to US dollar, and then this is just keeping the price of dollar higher level. As you can see here, it's just making some correction from this level, but on long term the trend is still going higher, so we still have room to go higher on that one. As we get closer to Fed meeting, we will see higher levels, and probably we will reach to 110 levels in dollar index, and then it will just keep a lot of pressure over euro and pound, and then also Japanese yen will just see new high levels. All right, let's look at gold prices.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
Right, as you can see here, gold prices are on decline. There was a trend on just, as you can see here, and after this line, we have seen bigger decline on that one. So the top level of gold, as you can see here, and something like this right now, the ceiling of rises are getting lower and lower in this trend line. So this is mainly, and also if we just draw, yeah, something like this, you will understand it better. Yeah, this is the trend line on gold. The playground and volatility is rising, but there is a descending, there is a declining trend channel for that one. Reason is high yield of treasury bonds. It's just declining, but it's just testing the critical level. It's 700 levels. If it cannot manage to stay on this level, then we will definitely see below that one, and it will just a fast decline on that side. Also, silver is on decline. Reason, as I said, high level of US Treasury bond yields. Like there is no yield on gold, no interest income. That's why it's on another decline. All right, let's look at US oil. All right, in US oil, as you can see here, we are in another trading channel. So it was trading in this channel for a while, and then we just it just dropped under $97, and it has tested $90 levels and then rising there and tested this place again, just happening similar to these kind of trading channels. So in these channels, it will just make down and up and down, and finally it will decide on its future. It will go up or down, because like in trading, so you know, like there is no stable market. It has to be some movements. So probably like they won't like this trading channel, and then they will just make it up or down. But if you ask me, it will be down, because recession is coming in every places, especially in Europe. I just think that the recession will start in Europe, and then will just like spread all over other countries. In China also another risk, because this COVID, we are not covering, like the media is not covering that much, but it's definitely a lot of problem. And we have almost like more than 1 million cases each day, and these will just eventually will just reflect to that numbers. When we reach to 2,000, 3,000 new deaths, we will start to speak about these new variants. Right now people are on vacation. Governments and countries doesn't want to disrupt them, but this is the reality, and then we will face them sooner or later. Thanks so much for watching us. We will together on more news, and then we will cover more charts with you. Have a nice day. Bye.